Hey guys, this is Austin, and today I'm eating lunch. How is this mystery tech? Oh, what, the Happy Fork? Eat slowly, cut calories, and improve digestion. I thought a smart fork was a spork. Can I ask how much this was?
$65.
$65. At least I get a delicious salad out of the deal, so I can't really argue too much.
$5 for the salad.
The fork has a USB port on the bottom because, naturally. Should I clean this before I eat with it? Like, since it just came out of the package? Nah. All right, so I would like to start eating. So I'm gonna grab a nice bite of salad here. Great timing. I agree. Take another bite. Oh, it just vibrated at me. I'm not happy. Wait 5 more seconds. Okay, do it. I can't really test the Happy Fork because it takes so long to chew salad. Let's see if I can trick the Happy Fork. Oh, look at that, it's actually not falling for it. What if I actually grab something though? I have something on the fork. Oh, wow. I'm legitimately impressed. I thought this was gonna be total bull. Wow, that's quite loud. This, my friends, is the smartphone magnifier. Wait, what? Oh, wow. That's a magnifier. Wait, so this whole thing is cardboard? I mean, I appreciate that they're trying to make it look all cool, but this retro TV definitely didn't have S-video in. How much was this? $30. Oh, wait. Stuff's falling out. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, I'll give them props. They've got the retro vibe totally on point. So I guess what you do is you put your smartphone in the tray and then just drop it in. There's also going to be a little rubber mat, maybe? Okay, so if I slide it in like this, there we go. That's the look right there. As far as actually using it, you can see absolutely nothing until you're looking at it directly on point. Besides that, it gets very sort of warped and you're sort of looking at the top or the bottom, but it doesn't even sound that bad too. Listen to that.
And now there's going to be a second generation version of that, which supposedly, again,
this is kind of cool. I gotta say, like, it is a lot better than I expected. Now, it's a total novelty, but it kind of sounds all right. I mean, there's some holes for the speaker to come out. All right, man. All right, I'm on board. Oh man, what? Ken, why do you just have a giant pillow? I think I actually know what this is though. Is this one of those sequin pillows where like if you move it, oh, yep, it like creates something? Oh no. Oh, I don't like where this is going. Is this a pattern? What is this? It just all looks brown. Oh no, wait a minute. Oh no, this is my face. Oh, wait. No, it's Nick Cage's face. Wow. Where did you find this? Oh, let me guess. Amazon?
Yes.
Of course it is. So you've got your Nick Cage face when it's party time. When it's not party time, don't worry. No Nick Cage here. Now you see him, now you don't. Now you see him, now you don't. If Jake does not own this pillow, we need to give him this pillow. Jake Roper, my friends, has multiple Nick Cage shirts. I've seen him wear at least 2 of them. I don't even want to know how much this is because it's just gonna make me upset that the money was wasted. But also, $10? Oh, okay, I feel much less bad about this.
Yeah, not really feeling it. It's kind of hard. But it is nice to know that I'm laying on Nick Cage's face, so.
You're actually not.
How about now?
Headphones? Okay. Wait, what? Headphones that have a detachable cable, like earbuds? How much? $150. Not a lot for Kim Bolito. Don't worry about it. So these are the final E4000 Hi-Fi earphones. Can I take a wild guess? And that you are going to be the proud owner of these headphones as soon as the video is over?
Maybe.
That's what I thought. They're very lightweight. They don't feel particularly premium. The cable, the actual headphones themselves, but they do have this kind of weird shape. Why? Did my phone just slide off the table?
Yes.
It literally just slid up. Okay, that's fine. Okay, bass, it's there. Damn. So it is going to be a little bit more optimized for hip hop. So if you have something that does have an accentuated bass, it's really going to punch here. But I've never heard headphones that have this kind of bass that are so small, and they also have such a wide sound stage. You're not getting these back. These are mine now, you realize. Piggy Pro, the premium phone stand. It's It's razor thin and infinitely adjustable. Why is it called Piggy Pro? There's a mirror on the inside. So if your phone stand also wants to function as a mirror to see like a postage size stamp of your face. Postage size stamp? Stamp size. Stamp size postage? No, wait.
Nope, just stamp sized.
Just stamp size. Yeah, the postage is probably not necessary, is it?
Stamp is postage.
Stamp is postage. It's maybe not the most color matching thing in the world, but let's see how this actually works as a stand. Oh look, my phone stands up. Nerf, the Zombie Strike crossbow. This isn't tech. I know a pillow wasn't tech, but this definitely isn't tech.
It was office recommendation.
Oh, so I just get to shoot you with Nerf
Sure.
darts now? That's okay. I mean,
For nothing.
this is not a normal mystery tech item, but I gotta say, at least it's not a robot dinosaur. I can't really complain about that. Where's Roboraptor? My nemesis has arrived. Wait, actually, should I be shooting Roboraptor? I feel like Roboraptor should be my ally in this particular fight. Roboraptor, are you ready? Yeah, you are. Oh! No, go away! Oh, I missed! It's okay. High five. Wes would not be happy if he's let me do that. Wes would not be happy if he's let me do that.
Are you happy, Wes?